Hello guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video, our major focus is on the lower body and we are going to be using barbell for today's workout. And the good part about this workout is that I'm going to be showing you both my front and my side view so you can get a proper stance for each exercise and a good form, and for you also to see the muscle contraction on each workout I perform. Before we dive in fully, guys, I would like us to stretch properly. As we all know it, that before every workout, you need to stretch before and after the workout to avoid muscle pull. So get ready with me, guys, and let's stretch fully before we go into what we have today. And if it's your first time of coming across my YouTube videos, guys, please do me a favor to subscribe. And don't just subscribe, make sure you like and share the videos. And drop a comment if you like this video. All right. So let's get into it. And for those of you that may feel that the weight is light, guys, there's always a chance for progressive overload. So you can add up the weight provided there's a space for the bar. So make sure you don't do ego lifting, but at the same time, make sure you lift heavy so you can feed the muscles. All right. So the last time we made video on lower body, we did like a drop set, but this time around it's only lower body with barbell we're doing. And guys, please do me a favor, make sure you stay from the beginning of this workout to the end of it, and let's see how far and how strong your legs are.